Introduction to the Salesforce. Everyone knows that Salesforce is based on cloud technology, and it has multi-tenant architecture. What very few knows, this architecture is all about. Let's talk in layman's language. Suppose there is only one chocolate box in a room, and it is ruled that each person can share or take only 2 chocolates in a day. What happens if this rule is not followed, that each person is taking more chocolates than decided? In this case, few people will not get the chocolates, while others will have some extra. Same applies with Salesforce. In Salesforce there is one server, which is shared with different organizations. These chocolates are nothing but Salesforce organizations. Let me remind you, there can be tens of thousands of organizations on a single server, and this distribution of shared chocolates is the multi-tenancy architecture. To avoid such issues, governor limits are applied, but imposing the limitations, they prevent inconsiderate users from hogging the database, memory, network, or processor resources that you and other customers on the same server need to effectively run business processes in the cloud. Governor limits dictate what your code can and cannot do when it is executed on the Salesforce platform, and this contributes to the scalability of the platform, since the resource allocation is defined.